What's up everyone, this is COOFANDY's cover. So we're going to be using this with our DJ booth, setting up a DJ booth inside. Still work in progress. So this kind of gives you that mysterious look. So just imagine everything is dark, because that's what we're going to be going for. So this is it. We'll be back here as we get everything set up. So as we're on here, you can see all the stuff we have at sound activated. So yeah, we'll have all this whole side blocked off, all this cleared out, all this cleaned up, everything cleaned up, and we'll be using this. So it's actually going to be great for our darker punk mix of hyper pop songs. But yeah, so this is nice. Think of it like a open hoodie that's long. You do have pockets on here as well.